Hi there and welcome to today's video focusing on providing a comprehensive guide for those aspiring to achieve PMP certification. Embarking on the journey to becoming a project management professional is both challenging and fulfilling. Today, we'll delve deeper into 10 crucial tips that will not only prepare you for the exam but also enrich your understanding of project management. Tip 1. Understand the PMP Exam Content Outline. The PMP Exam Content Outline is your roadmap. Provided by PMI, it breaks down the exam into domains, tasks, and knowledge areas. Before diving into any study material, familiarize yourself with this outline. Knowing the structure and content areas will give you a clear direction for your studies. Tip 2. Choose the right study materials. The market is flooded with PMP study guides, courses, and resources. It's essential to sift through and select materials that come highly recommended by PMP certified professionals. Consider investing in a mix of traditional books, interactive online courses, and hands-on workshops. Each offers a unique approach to the material. Tip 3. Create a study plan. A structured study plan is a game changer. Break down your study material into manageable chunks and set realistic milestones. Allocate specific times for reading, practice exams, and group discussions. Regularly track your progress and adjust your plan if needed. Tip 4. Join a study group. Collaborative learning can be incredibly beneficial. A study group offers diverse perspectives on complex topics, leading to richer discussions and deeper understanding. It also provides motivation and accountability, ensuring you stay on track with your study goals. Tip 5. Take practice exams. Practice exams are more than just a test of knowledge, they're a test of endurance. The PMP exam is 4 hours long, so it's essential to build your stamina. Regularly taking full-length exams will also familiarize you with the question format and improve your time management skills. Tip 6. Review the PMP OK Guide. The PMP OK Guide is the foundation of PMP. Dive deep into its concepts, methodologies, and terminologies. While it's dense, understanding the PMP OK Guide's structure and flow will provide a solid base for other study materials. Tip 7. Focus on your weak areas. It's natural to gravitate towards topics you're comfortable with, but the key is to identify and tackle your weak areas head-on. Use feedback from practice exams to pinpoint these areas. Dedicate more time, resources, and focus to ensure they become strengths. Tip 8. Stay updated with PMI. The world of project management is ever evolving, and so is the PMP exam. Regularly check PMI's official website for updates, webinars, and articles. Being updated ensures you're always aligned with the latest in project management. Tip 9. Take care of your well-being. Your well-being directly impacts your study efficiency. Ensure you're balancing study sessions with breaks. Engage in activities that relax and rejuvenate you, be it meditation, exercise, or hobbies. A well-rested mind absorbs and retains information better. Tip 10. Believe in yourself. The journey to PMP certification is as much about knowledge as it is about mindset. Trust in your capabilities, your preparation strategy, and your resources. Visualize your success and approach your studies with positivity and determination. To wrap up then, achieving the PMP certification is a significant milestone in any project manager's career. It's a testament to your expertise, dedication, and passion for the field. With these enriched tips and a dedicated approach, you're not just preparing for an exam. You're setting the foundation for a successful career in project management. Here's to your journey towards PMP certification and the many successes that await you beyond. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.